Good day everyone, and today we were going to present about the blockchain. By the way, I am Raymark Velasco and I am with Vanessa Omblas. First, we will be discussing what is the technology about, provide the general information about the technology and its requirements. Let us define what is blockchain. A blockchain is a shared, immutable ledger for recording transactions, tracking assets, and building trust in a business network. It consists of a series of blocks, each containing a list of transactions linked together using cryptographic hashes. And how does blockchain works? When a transaction occurs, it is validated by network participants and added to a block. The block is then added to the existing chain of blocks, creating a permanent record of the transaction. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control over the entire system. And here are some key features of blockchain. Blockchain technology offers transparency, security, efficiency, and trust in transactions. It eliminates the need for intermediaries, reduces the risk of fraud, and provides a tamper-resistant record of transaction. And these are the requirements to implement blockchain technology. Certain requirements need to be met. These include decentralization. The network should be distributed among multiple nodes or participants, ensuring no central authority has control. And the next, consensus mechanism. Participants in the network must agree on the order in which they are added to blockchain. This is achieved through various consensus mechanisms like proof of work or POW or proof of stake POS. And the next is cryptography. Blockchain relies on cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and ensure data integrity, has functions, digital signatures, and encryptions are used to protect the data. And then lastly is the smart contract. The smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined rules encoded on the blockchain. They automate the execution of agreements and eliminate the need for intermediaries. I'm sorry, this is smart contracts rather. Now let us proceed to the applications of blockchain. Blockchain technology has applications beyond cryptocurrencies. It can be used in finance, supply chain management, healthcare, voting system, identity verification, and more. It provides transparency, security, and efficiency in these sectors. And blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries by improving trust, security, and efficiency. However, it also faces challenges such as scalability, energy consumptions, regulatory frameworks, and the need for widespread adoption.
And the next question is, provide a company that has successfully implemented it. Provide details of their success story. One company that has successfully implemented blockchain technology is the Home Depot. They have utilized IBM blockchain to gain real-time, shared, and trusted information throughout their supply chains. By implementing blockchain, the Home Depot has expedited the reconciliation process by allowing the receiver team and vendors to access shared near real-time data of package and shipments across its supply chain. This has improved data integrity, product authenticity, and sustainability in their supply chain operations. So here's about the Home Depot Incorporation. Founded in 1978, the Home Depot is the largest home improvement retailer in the U.S., with over 2,200 locations. Headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia, the retail giant employs nearly 400,000 people and offers customers more than 35,000 products in each of its stores and 1 million products online. The Home Depot Incorporation leads by a simple premise: customers come first. To guarantee successful shopping experiences, a lot needs to happen behind the scenes. The company is continually building relationships with vendors to secure the distribution of an array of products within its many eyes to ensure that the right products for the customer are available at the right time. These relationships are built on mutual trust between both parties. Vendors will ship merchandise to Home Depot and in exchange, the retailer will disperse payment on time. Trusting in blockchain. IBM blockchain technology provides the real-time visibility, and if a variance occurs at any stopping point on the supply chain, both the Home Depot and its vendors can address the issue right away. Being able to quickly identify where the problem began allows the retailers and suppliers flexibly and handling situations. By design, blockchain creates a permanent, unchangeable record for real-time data so no one can alter or remove it. Role-based access means that vendors see only what they need to see. No other vendor is going to see another vendor's information. IBM can help clients navigate their unique challenges to deploy blockchain-fueled solution in harmony with other emerging technologies.
This time around, we will be sharing our thought if how blockchain can be implemented in Palawan and we will be presenting an implementation plan that we believe it will be successful. And in our own opinion, implementing blockchain technology in Palawan or the Philippines has the potential to bring numerous benefits to various sectors. And here's an implementation plan that could be successful. First, identify target sectors. Start by identifying the key sectors in Palawan or the Philippines that can benefit from blockchain technology. This could include areas such as supply chain management, land titling, healthcare, tourism, or financial services. And then collaborate with government and industry partners. Engage with government agencies, industry associations, and local stakeholders to gain support and create a collaborative environment for blockchain implementation. This will ensure regulatory compliance and foster adoption across sectors. And then develop blockchain infrastructure. Establish a robust blockchain infrastructure by partnering with technology providers or building in-house capabilities. This infrastructure should include secure nodes, smart contracts, and data storage mechanism to support the desired use cases. And supply chain traceability. Implement blockchain-based supply chain solutions to enhance transparency and traceability. This can help track the origin, quality, and authenticity of products such as agricultural goods, seafoods, or handicrafts. It will enable consumers to make informed choices and support local businesses.
And to continue, titling and property rights. Utilize blockchain technology to streamline land titling processes and enhance property rights management. This can provide a secure and immutable record of land ownerships, reducing fraud and disputes. It will also facilitate easier access to credit for property owners. Next, healthcare data management. Implementation blockchain solutions for secure and interoperable healthcare data management. This can enable patients to have control over their health records, facilitate seamless sharing of information among healthcare providers, and enhance data privacy and security. Next, tourism and payments. Explore blockchain solutions for tourism-related services, such as digital identity verification, secure and decentralized booking systems, and transparent payment platforms. This can boost tourism, improve visitor experiences, and promote trust between tourists and device service providers. Last one is the educational and credentials. Implement blockchain-based verifying and storing educational credentials. This can help combat credential fraud, provide a secure and tamper-proof record of achievements, and facilitate the recognition of skills and qualifications. Next is promote awareness and adoption. Conduct awareness campaigns, workshops, and training programs to educate stakeholders about the benefits and potential use cases of blockchain technology. Encourage businesses, government agencies, and individuals to embrace and adopt blockchain solutions. And the last one is monitor and evaluate. Continuously monitor the implementation progress, gather feedback, and evaluate the impact of blockchain technology in Palawan or the Philippines. This will help identify areas of improvement, address challenges, and refine the implementation strategy. Successful implementation of blockchain technology requires collaboration, stakeholder engagement, and a clear understanding of the local context. It's essential to adapt the plan based on the specific needs and challenges in Palawan or the Philippines. So that's all. I hope you understand what blockchain is. Once again, I am Vanessa Yomblas and I am with Remark Velasco. Thank you.